Hi there, it's Babs here from Madam Sew, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to use the beading foot. Now this is one of the presser feet in the collection, and it is a completely plastic foot which allows you to see the beads that you are working with as they pass through the foot. Now I've got some particularly small beads here and they are going to pass through nice and easy without any qualms whatsoever, but you can go up to larger beads, but always check your beads against the presser foot. There's no point trying to use beads that are so large, such as these beauties, that they're just not going to fit in. So whilst that is a beautiful arrangement, this particular foot, it's just that little bit too big and won't work. So always make sure that the beads that you've purchased to use as your embellishment will work with the size of foot that you have available. When working with the foot, before you start using the pedal for your sewing machine, always make sure to manually hand crank and to see that the width of your stitch is sufficient to go around the beads that you are working with. And in this case, yep, I only need to have a stitch width of 3 for these particular beads. So let's start sewing. And as you can see, the foot is guiding the beads centrally through the machine, which is very, very pleasant. And here we have our final attached beads, and the green, whilst still a very obvious colour, is not that obvious when you look at the beads, because we've tailored the size of the zigzag to the size of the beading. Now if you were to use a red or pink cotton, then that zigzag stitch would be practically invisible, so your embellishment would just look absolutely stunning. Or of course you can use a monofilament thread, which will be completely invisible. I hope that tutorial was useful to you, and if so, please subscribe to the Madam Sew channel for more tutorials and information on the Ultimate Presser Foot set. I'll see you around for the next tutorial. Bye for now.